Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of how I painted this autumn leaf using watercolors. So first, I'll show some part of the color mixing. I used permanent alizarin crimson, quinacridone magenta, French ultramarine, transparent gold deep, Windsor yellow deep, Windsor lemon, and Windsor red. So I'll just show some of the color mixing. First I mix the reddish color. This leaf has a really nice autumn palette. These fall colors were really fun to mix. And after this one I mix the slightly more purplish color and then the two yellowish colors and then a lighter red which had more of the Windsor red, which is present in very few areas of the leaf. And the last color I mixed was a very dark brownish black color. So these are the colors. Full color mixing is available at the link in the description in my art membership. Now what I did next was mapped in the colors wet in wet, one section of the leaf at a time. Blending all the colors together. Same wet in wet I did all over the leaf. Next, I mapped in the veins, wet on dry. Next, building up the colors, because the colors right now are too light and the leaf has dark, nice autumn colors which are rich. So we have to build that up to get a more realistic leaf. Right now it looks too light. So we build up layer by layer. We don't add the color too dark at once. The full tutorial for this leaf, real time with voiceover and with full color mixing and line drawing, reference photo, etc., is available in my Patreon art membership. The link is in the description. You can check it out if you are interested in joining us. And we have 2 new watercolor tutorials each month along with some extra content also. Now we need to build up more because the leaf does not have the dark tones mapped in and does not have tonal balance. So next layer, building up wet on dry all over the leaf. Mapping in some more veins as an extra detail, darkening some veins where needed, wet on dry. Adding some slight texture, dry brushing, and with that the leaf is complete. We have a nicely built up autumn leaf with nice rich autumny colors. And I added it to this page in which I had already painted this pine cone, which is also a full tutorial available in my Patreon art membership. So you can paint both of these, the pine cone and the autumn leaf, together with us. Join us in our Patreon membership if you are interested, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye and take care.